Are you consenting to being?
No.
Do you mind being on YouTube?
No. Bought it and I'm just typing in the comments I did not consent to this. This is what's up with them, I consent.
Did you stand there all alone? Oh, I cannot explain what's going down.
Ah, I'm in the first.
Standing next
This high up. Oh my god.
in and out. Somewhere else right now.
We're off to Berlin.
You sigh, look away. I can see it clear as day. Close your eyes, so afraid. Hide behind that baby face.
Yeah, there's one. But we have to all go up there at some point. We all have to go at the top, definitely. Berlin vlog. Tell the Berlin vlog what you did. What have you lost on this vlog? How did you manage that? Virginia's taking a photo. Should we just refer to Virginia? That's your nickname for the vlog.
I'm dyeing my hair
So
blonde.
this is Bird.
Never.
This is Virginia.
I just don't like that.
Virginia.
That's
We need other nicknames for everyone. So we don't
Like,
need
is that all I am?
no
Is
doxing.
that all I am?
Virginia? Yeah, you're Virginia one.
Oh yeah, I haven't got my thing.
Gathered up your things and slipped away. No time at all. I followed you into the hall.
Opinions on the Berlin vlog?
Daydream. You were only 17. So sweet with the mean streak. Nearly brought me to my knees.
I'm gonna up.
You can drive all night, looking for the answers in the pouring rain. We wanna find peace of mind, looking for the answer. If we can find a reason to change. Looking for the
photo.
answer. If you can find a reason to stay.
Zoo. Zoo.
Standing in the pouring rain. You can drive all night.
Did you enjoy your 50 cents piss? Huh? You paid him €1. Oh, expensive.
We can find a reason to change.
Bird left me for the toilet and now I've been attacked. Oh, Bird left him. Say hi.
You can find a reason to stay.
Wait,
Standing in the pouring